10 paper 1 variant 2 November 2019. Y is inversely proportional to x when x is equal to 2, y is equal to t. Find an expression for y in terms of t when x is equal to 3. So y is inversely proportional to x, so we write y is equal to k upon x. That is equation A. Now we have to replace the value of y and x as given. Y is equal to t when x is equal to 2. So k may be written as 2t. Now we rewrite the equation A as y is equal to 2t upon x. We have replaced the value of k in equation A. Now we have to find an expression for y in terms of t when x is equal to 3. So we just replace the value of x as 3. So the expression become y is equal to 2t upon 3. That is the question. Still there is any problem, you will write in comment. I will reply inshallah.